Say hello everyone. Today we are going to make my favorite Swedish, and that is called coffee Swedish. For that, I'll teach you how to make it. First, we'll need 2-pack cream, and then we'll also need 2 teaspoons cocoa powder, and we put it in the cream. Okay. Now we will put 2 teaspoons sugar. Okay. Now we will mix it. Okay. Now everyone, this mixture is ready. Now we will make another mixture. Put some milk in the saucepan. Now put some sugar and a little bit of coffee. Now mix it to form a coffee mixture. Now boil it. Now the other mixture is ready. Now reassemble them. We have to dip Rusk in coffee mixture. Now assemble it in a tray. Spread the prepared cream mixture on it. Do the layering. Spread chocolate chips and some cocoa powder. Now everyone, the cake is ready. Now we have to put it in a fridge. It's so delicious. And remember to like and subscribe this channel. Bye bye.